Anybody excited about riding shotgun? Yeah. All right. Now little Charlie, he's my darling, he's the apple of my eye. And when I'm on the swing with him, it makes me almost high. And Charlie, he's my lover, and he has been since the spring. Just can't believe it started on this front porch in the swing, just a swing. Hey, baby, don't go lying, cheap, gold that big, two-time double dealing, we mistreat love. Ain't no rhyme or reason, no complicated, I mean it ain't no need or thinking, let go laughing, life don't go hard like the rain that we try so hard on to say that irrefutable, indisputable fact is it happens. I may not be a 10, but the boys say I clean up good. And if I gave them half a chance, throw some rowdy Romeos, you know they would. I've been waiting all week just to have a good time. So bring on the cowboys, that pick up lines, you know I'm here for the party. And I ain't leaving till they throw me out. Come on, let's see it. Now my heart had a problem in the early hours, so stopped it dead for beat or two. But I caused some call and I shouldn't have done it, and I won't forgive me after all these years. So I sent her to a place in the middle of nowhere with a big black horse and a cherry tree. I gotta get your number, boy, I gotta call you up. I gotta get you riding shotgun in my truck. Mama always told me that I should play nice. She didn't know you when she gave me that advice. I'm through with you. You're one bridge I like to burn. Bottle of the ashes smashing, and I'm through with you. Little Jimmy Jackson is jacking up his Bronco. He's gonna lay a little rubber later on at the truck. All the girls are getting pretty, spraying on their wine rain. Word got around to the barflies and the Baptists. My mama's phone started ringing off the hook. I can hear her now saying she ain't gonna have it. No matter how you feel, it only matters how you look. Go and fix your makeup, girl, it's just a breakup running. Hide your crazy and start acting like a lady, 'cause I'm raised you better, gotta keep it together even when you fall apart. Well, this ain't my mom.